What's up, guys? The iPhone 17 series is dropping this year, and yep, it's packing some juicy upgrades and some meh moments too. Let's dive in. So, first up, iPhone 17 looks almost like the iPhone 16. Same vertical dual cam, same action, key power, volume, and that camera control key you barely use. But here's the win, 120 Hz refresh rate. Finally, no more that ancient 60 Hz choppy mess, smooth like butter, baby. But why Apple? Why the massive pill-shaped dynamic island? It's like Face ID and the selfie camera decided to throw a party and forgot to invite style. I'm begging, make it smaller or just slap a simple punch hole next time. Out of the box, you're getting iOS 26. The beta's dropping soon at WWDC. Think glassy vibes, circular icons, rounded corners, and a UI kinda like VisionOS. Fancy. Animations, new widgets, and lock screen customization that actually feels fresh. This is software glow-up, for real. The iPhone 17 is the thinnest ever at 5.5 millimeters, flexing that titanium frame for durability. 48 MP single cam, LED flash chilling. On the top right, screen's 6.6 inches, taller than the base but smaller than the Pro Max. Battery, 2800 mAh with 35W fast charging. Under the hood, the A19 Bionic can crush 8LA games like it's nothing. No fancy multicams here, just slim and simple. Perfect. If you want light and sleek without the camera clutter, now the Pro lineup is flexing a bit more. 6.3 and 6.9-inch displays with a rectangular triple cam module, LED flash, mic and LAR, all packed tight. Same big dynamic island up top, no changes there sadly. They're rocking the A19 Pro chip, 3nm TSMC tech, bigger battery and the same 35W charging speed, so power and endurance are on point. So yeah, that's the iPhone 17 fam. Slim, smooth and speedy. Which one you vibing with? The simple 17 or the Pro beasts? Drop your pick in the comments. Thanks for chilling. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.